Hey everybody, Mark coming to you from Ascent Bicycle Studio on this beautiful Tuesday afternoon. Today we wanted to talk about some bike washing techniques and a product that is going to change your life when it comes to washing your bike. So let's take a look. All right, we're over here and today we've got with us one dirty stump jumper that needs to be cleaned. And as you can tell with most of today's full suspension bikes, and quite frankly a lot of road bikes too, and anything newer and high-tech, we've got a lot of nooks and crannies. And while I really love my big brush, you know, and it's great for the down tube and the top tube, yeah, it doesn't do much in here. So today I'm going to introduce you to Scrubza TrailPiks. And these happen to be invented, and the company is right here local in Catonsville in the Patapsco Valley area. So we're really happy to support a local business owner, and we do carry these at the shop. Why do we carry them? Because they work so well. Check it out. All right, so we want to highlight some of what's going on here again to show you, we got a lot of caked on dirt in here, and it's really tough to get to. Now, fortunately, the cassette is pretty clean, but there's quite a bit of dirt in and around the crank and the rear suspension linkage. So let's walk through how we're going to get this clean. We've used the big brush to clean most of the bike, but now we're down to this the area again that I was referring to with the drivetrain and the rear part of the bike. And now we're going to show you how great the TrailPik works. So first I'm going to get in here, get some of this mud out, and as you can see, it just fits right in there. Well, I'm finding that one's a little bit too big, so I'll move to the next size down. And please take note, these are all coated, so they're completely safe. I've been using them for about a month now and have not had any incidences of scratching the bike or anything like that.
Does anybody know what an incidences is anyway?
Now I want to work on the cassette just a little bit. Okay, here we are with the finished product. A couple things to keep in mind. Our hose bib is not turned on yet from the winter, so there was no pressure used. I actually used a water bottle to rinse the bike off, so I didn't blow any of this dirt out. And let's take a look at how clean the bike is now after using the Scrubza TrailPik. These are available for purchase here at Ascent. 10 bucks. 10 bucks. Keep your investment clean and happy. A clean and happy bike is a fast bike. We'll see you soon.